is it?
Okay. Here at Henwick Road level crossing in Worcester with Will. Now time is 8:18. And this is for or 8:19. One Mike 55. London Midland service from Hereford to Birmingham New Street. So we're coming from this way. There's that set of light I showed you the last time I filmed here. It's wrapped in these plastic bags. Whatever it is. Plastic bag I think. There's another one over there. I wonder when they're gonna finish. Got a turbo coming as usual. Got 170 turbo star coming. I don't know what that's doing. Looks like a bit of rubbish there. No, I don't know. I need to take that off. I wonder when they're going to finish with this. I don't know if it's going to have supporter arm barrels or not. I don't know. She is. She's going to stay on the same line. Oh. Yeah. We got 175.17 to Birmingham New Street, and get back here.